Myself, Tanishq Thakare. I am Director of Bhagwati Tools Private Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We provide assembly tools. We have all types of assembly tools like pulse tools, impact wrenches, torque wrenches, electric tools like DC tools, AC type tools, transducer tools, and cordless tools. We also provide a variety of range of cordless tools like impact wrenches, cordless pulse tools. Bhagwati Tools Private Limited is associated in the year 1999. Was set up by my father, Nilesh Thakare. And our main vision is to provide assembly lines and industries with high quality of assembly tools and a great after-sales service.